3. Priority of factors. There are a lot of people who gets discriminated, and it's not easy to distinguish which criteria should be higher priorities or lower. For example, should a man not get a job because the applicant is a people of color and the chef is a racist to women because the chef is a sexist? That's two different criteria, but which one is more important? 4. Problem of symmetry. If a class establishes that the discrimination it faces warrants exacting judicial scrutiny, it applies symmetrically, black/white, men/women, but PB= could provide disadvantage to one of either classes, men for women, in a way that should concern the EPEC laws. Cases and laws. There were many cases that involved suspect classification throughout the years. All of them contributed to a change within the American law system and therefore the LGBTQ+ community. The first case took place in 1969 as the police attacked a gay club in NYC named Stonewall Inn. This attack caused 6 days of protests within the population and marks the beginning of the queer rights movement. The second event arose in front of the U.S. Supreme Court, Bowers v. Hardwick 1986, court constitutionalizes criminalizing of homosexual acts. According to this, sexual acts between consenting adults is considered a crime. The next case happened in 1993, the Don't Ask, Don't Tell approach was introduced and put to use. Gay men and women are now allowed to join the military as long as they keep their sexual orientation a secret. Another situation appeared in 1996, Romer v. Evans. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that the state Colorado is not allowed to change their constitution. People of the LGBT community will still be discriminated in front of the law. An incident in 2003, Lawrence v. Texas, shows a small improvement for the LGBT community. The U.S. Supreme Court guidelines that consensual acts of homosexuals are constitutional and will no longer be treated as a crime. The sixth case occurred in 2006. The state of Massachusetts outlines a huge stride for same-sex partners. They legalize same-sex marriage as the first American state. Obergefell v. Hodges took place in 2015 and expanded the case from Massachusetts in 2006. The U.S. Supreme Court passed the law that same-sex marriage is now allowed in the whole United States. This law is federal and cannot be disputed in any way. On top of that, same-sex married couples are now legally able to adopt.